it go. Shopping in Paris or go. Sailing overseas and just straight me in Gucci, no.
Guys, welcome back to my channel. And as you can see from the title of this video, today I'm going to be showing you guys how to do a low sleek side crochet bun. So yeah, I'm not going to do too much talking in this video. Yeah, if you want to see how I got this look, how I achieved this style, then just keep on watching. So first I'm going to start by taking my braid. I literally just woke up, so this is pretty much what my hair looks like when I just wake up. Obviously it doesn't look the best. I don't look the best, but yeah, let's just get into this hairstyle. So the first thing you're gonna need is a spray water bottle. So what I'm just gonna do is spray my hair at the top. If you have like curly hair, I think it's best that you spray it before you do anything to it. So after my hair is sprayed with water, I go ahead and I brush it in the motion that I want it to go.
Open up, you OPN, bitch, you won't BBM.
Soft bristle brush right now. What I'm gonna do is then take this brush. You need a brush with some teeth. It doesn't have to be like a Denman brush. I'm using a Denman brush because I feel like it's easiest for my hair, but it definitely doesn't have to be a Denman brush. You just need a brush with some teeth just so you could brush it in the direction you want it to lay. So usually I do this side that has the most hair on it first, just because it makes it a lot easier. But yeah, right now I'm just spraying my hair with water, spraying it with water. So then I'm gonna take my wide tooth comb, I'm gonna repart my hair. So right now I'm just brushing it after I made my part. Your hair is probably gonna look a crazy mess like this. That's fine. This is kind of where we want it. So at this point, I'm gonna add more water. Yes, we need a ton of water for this style. To the top, and I'm gonna start molding the top. And we're gonna kind of make a rough bun ponytail so we can put the product in. So I'm just basically brushing my hair back using this just so I can get it in like a very rough bun so I can start laying my product down. So to lay my hair down, I'm using the olive oil edge control. I really like this edge control just because it's like a firm hold, but it doesn't leave my hair as stiff as the Got2b glue, and it doesn't turn white, which is like my favorite part. So you're gonna put the edge control on the parting, like where you did the parting, to make the parting more sharp and easy for you. And I'm gonna go back in with my hard brush. This is like a medium hard. And I'm just gonna smooth it out.
Open up, you OPN, bitch, you won't BBM.
So after that's done, I just rub it in. So then I'm gonna take a little bit more of the gel of the pomade. Sorry, this is a pomade. And I'm kind of gonna use it specifically to slick down my edges. So then I'm gonna take my brush again, go through the top, and now I'm gonna make my final bun.
Open up, you OPN.
Gathering it into into a low ponytail once I have it the way I want it. So it looks like this right now. It's nice and sleeked. We haven't done any baby hairs yet, but those were coming. I just wanted to get the base down first. Before I do anything else, I'm gonna do my baby hairs. Basically, I don't go overboard on the baby hairs. Personally, like I kind of like the more natural look. I'm using an edge brush, by the way. Go into this side and do my edges for this side.
Open up, you open up.
Doing that. So once I have my baby hairs kind of how I want them, I take my natural hair and just brush it down with this diamond brush. Now I want my hair to be moisturized and kind of protected while I'm doing this, so I take the olive oil moisturizing hair lotion, and I'm just going to use this on only this part of my hair. And then after I do that, after I apply the moisturizer, I'll just brush my hair one more time. I'm actually going to add some crochet hair to kind of make the ponytail pop a little more. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my natural hair, I'm just gonna braid it. So after I do the braid, I kind of just tuck my braid to make a bun that looks like this, and then I'll take a ponytail holder and I will just tie it around. I'm gonna add the crochet hair. So what I did is I basically added a ponytail holder to the crochet hair, just so I can attach it to my ponytail really easily and I don't have to actually like crochet it onto my hair, because that's kind of too much work. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna show you guys. I just take the crochet hair and I just literally wrap it around my hair as if it's a ponytail, and then I take it from the bottom and I just flip it to the top to kind of cover my bun like this. I like it to look like this because then I take this part of the crochet hair and I wrap it around my bun. Hold on, I'll show y'all. It's a little difficult, but kind of just wrap it around the bun until you see fit and how you like it. So then I'll take a ponytail holder, take this ponytail holder, and I will just place it around the hair and kind of fluff it out. Kind of play around with it until it's how I like it. I'll show you guys. I'm just gonna put a scarf on really quick using a satin or a silk scarf. I literally got this from the beauty supply store.
Open up, you open up.
I'll usually finish getting ready, like I'll do my makeup or something, and by the time I'm done with that, my hair will usually be set. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna do my makeup and then I'll come back and I'll show you the completed hair. Okay, so I went ahead and I did my makeup. So now let's just do the hair reveal. So I'm just gonna take off my scarf, see if it works the magic. Thought it needed to work. Wave check, hold on, wave check. Perfect. So this is how the completed style looks with my makeup and my hair. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Please like, please comment, please subscribe. That really helps me. If you want to see how I got this makeup, I do have an everyday makeup tutorial on my channel. I will link that video in the description box. But yeah, I really have nothing else to say for right now besides I'm looking cute as fuck. Enjoy this video and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.